My name's Amy.
My name's Tina.
From the Fuel Homestead and Homesteaders of America. And we're Homestead Homies. You're watching Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. I hope you enjoy the show.
Boo!
Well, we hope you enjoyed the video. My name's Doug. My wife's name's Stacy. We live off-grid in the Midwest with no solar power, wind turbines, or electricity, and we raise our own food. We have a large garden, and we also do animals, ducks, guineas, birds, chickens, sheep, and all that stuff. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, you might want to stick around. Hit the subscribe button down below. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead Homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.